So these are the different methods of training users. So the first one is self-instruction, which is when a user reads a manual or watches a tutorial, or just tries out the software randomly to figure out how it works. So this is only suitable for experienced computer users because they'll be more confident using an unfamiliar system. So not really for beginners. And an advantage is that it gives you more freedom because the other two that I'm going to talk about, you'd have to be on a schedule, and also it's free, and the other two are not. However, it could be less efficient as you'll be doing everything by yourself without an instructor. So for you to solve a problem, it might take longer. Formal classes, so it's when a user sits in a classroom and listens to an instructor who shows and explains how to use the system. However, this type of training is usually in a large class, and if the class is too big, then there will probably not be enough time for the instructor to attend to everyone and to help everyone, so that could be one of the issues. And it could also be ineffective because of that, and more expensive than the other two. Remote and online training is when an instructor trains a single user on a remote connection, so for example Skype. And in my opinion, it's the most effective way, as it's a one-on-one instruction, and it can be suited for the user's needs and abilities. So if you're good at programming already, then it'll just be for you, so it'll be personalized. Also, it can be used anywhere around the world, so it doesn't matter where your instructor is. However, disadvantages would be if internet connection is bad, then it would probably be hard. Also, if you're like too far apart in the world, then the time zones will be a little bit off, so you'll be on maybe a schedule that doesn't really suit you. So yeah. Okay, so that's basically the three, and now I have a little quiz. So.